Okay, for this week, we're going to be reviewing simple interest, something that we did earlier in this year, and what you could potentially see more of next year in math. Um, these problems that I'm going to be going through are ones that you could potentially see in your IXL practice or on the worksheet or in quizzes. So, number one says Monica has $100 in a savings account. The interest rate is 5% per year and is not compounded. How much interest will she earn in 3 years? It also says that to use the formula I equals PRT, where I is the interest earned, P is the principal or the starting amount, R is the interest rate expressed as a decimal, and T is the time in years. They will pretty much use that phrase in all of the IXL questions that you're going to be doing. So they give us this equation, I equals PRT. And in order to figure out how much interest Monica is going to earn, we need to know what P, R, and T is. All right, so P is the principal or the starting amount. And they tell us that it's the $100 in the savings account. So P equals 100. The R is the interest rate expressed as a decimal. They tell us that the interest rate is 5%. So they give it to us as a percentage, which means we need to change it into a decimal by dividing it by 100, which would be 0.05. And then they say that T is time in years, and they give us the years right there is 3, so T equals 3. So we plug these three numbers into the equation to get I. 100 times 0.05 times 3. If I do that on my calculator, I get my answer, which is $15. So after 3 years, Monica has earned $15 of interest. And that would be the answer you type in. Going on to problem number 2. It says Baldwin has $30,000 in his savings account that earns 5% interest per year. The interest is not compounded. How much will he have in 4 years? Okay, so again, same type of question. We're going to be using the same equation. This time P is 30,000. The R value, again, is given to you as a percent, as 5%, but if we divide it by 100, it's 0.05. And T is time in years, which is this time is 4. So I would equal 30,000 times 0.05 times 4. So if we type that in, we get an answer of $6,000. That's the amount of interest Baldwin has earned. But they're trying to trick you here. Look at the question they are asking. They are asking how much will he have, not how much interest. He already has $30,000, and now he has an extra $6,000. So to get the total, T, we would take the original amount and add the interest. So Baldwin actually has $36,000. That's what you would type in for your answer. Okay? Be careful. You need to read the questions carefully and make sure that you are finding and putting in the correct answer.